clusterfuck.
No, not, sir.
Okay, question of the day. Why the fuck did I pop up on both your Facebooks as love of the day?
I don't know. That's why I was like, what the fuck?
Awkward.
Because when I did it, I got Jake's brother, my cousins, Gabe Bloomer, and then you. And I was like, alright, the lesser of two evils. Sorry, guys.
Oh, thanks. I'm the lesser of evil.
You're the lesser of evil.
Hey, Jackie, according to Facebook, we're BFFs now.
According to Facebook, I'm everybody's BFF.
Of course you are, honey.
I'm so sexy. So I'll be the civvies the entire time, which would be nice because I'll blend in.
No!
Oh, yeah.
Snake!
We're putting the toilet paper on your head again.
Oh, God, that was bad.
Trying to find Psycho Mantis.
Where's my darts? Did you plug in controller too? No. Fuck! No wonder I kept missing the dartboard. I swear the alcohol wasn't involved in that. No!
No. We figured out who you can cosplay as just going around like that. Just go, who are you? Face palm.
I thought I was gonna take a sock and stuff my pants.
I saw I saw this.
No.
Pickle.
Oh God!
I saw this picture
Pickle
of two.
covered in tinfoil.
I saw this picture of Star Trek, and it was two guys doing face palm at once, and they were like double face palm, because one is not enough.
No, Hunter, you should have been Captain Boner.
Oh God!
What you do is you put on you take your boxers, you stuff them with, you just wearing boxers, you wear a towel around your neck as a cape, you have a pair of panties on your head, and your boxers are stuffed with socks.
And you put your beret on.
No, I just get Captain rank glued on my chest and wear nothing. How can you maintain an erection for that long? Skill. I love the Viagra.
How can you maintain an erection for that long? Maids.
Oh God, that's my goal. Someone has to take a picture of me dressed as a... I'd take a picture of a girl in a maid outfit. It has to be
take a picture of me dressed as a maid, Benner.
No,
somebody
somebody has to take a picture of Benner with the girl from Evangelion.
Oh, fuck it.
Oscar.
Shower scene.
Huh?
This is the picture of Oscar.
It's on my desktop on my computer.
I brought my iPod, which is every episode of Phantom on it.
Jackie, that ninja picture I sent you. Female ninjas, the sluttiest mammals known to man.
Yeah, they are. There's so many fucking hentai movies that I'm like, how the fuck does from ninja fight to fucking? Oh yeah, oh yeah. What?
This was a picture of a girl in black jeans, a black tank top, a ninja mask, and she had a samurai sword on her belt, and it was like ninjas, the sluttiest mammals known to mankind.
Hunter, bring back memories. Bring back memories.
This is gonna be a long weekend.
Frank Sinatra! Hooray for Frank Sinatra!